Hi everyone! In today's video, we're going to take a look at the VTX I received from AKK. A big thanks to the team at AKK for sending this over. I really appreciate it. It's a 5-watt ultra long range transmitter. Alright, let's unbox this. On the top, as you can see, there's a heatsink with a fan. The VTX can be mounted using 30.5 by 30.5 millimeter holes, the same as a standard stack tower. At the top, there's the power input wire, followed by ground, a smart audio port, video in, and 2 wires plus and minus for connecting your camera. Let's take a look at what else comes in the box. Alright, we have a wire harness, an antenna wire, and of course a manual. Here's the settings button. It's just a standard manual with a frequency table and all the button settings. It also includes the wiring connections and an explanation of the LED indicators. I also received 2 antennas, which you can add when purchasing the VTX. Both are 5 dBi antennas with RHCP polarization. The difference between them is that one operates at 5.8 GHz and the other at 5 GHz. Alright, let's install this bad boy into my long-range rig first, and then we'll head out for a test flight. We're going to replace the Max Solo with the new AKK. That was fast, wasn't it? Now let's just plug in the battery and make sure everything is working properly. Alright, all the LED lights are on, the fan is running, and now we just need to check the video signal on the screen to make sure it's good. Then we're ready to go. As you can see on the screen, it's showing the Betaflight logo, but I'm actually using EmuFlight. Unfortunately, the VTX table doesn't work in EmuFlight, so before the first flight, I'll need to check the actual power output by verifying the 3 green LED indicators. Now let's head out for the flight. I'm going to fly toward that mountain, which is about 2 kilometers away. First, we'll test it with the lower power output, and then we'll switch to the maximum power setting. Let's see how it performs. I'll set the output through the OSD, but as I mentioned earlier, in EmuFlight, the maximum visible output is only 1 watt. So for the second flight, I'll set it manually. As I'm flying, you can see the massive towers with power lines in the distance. These can sometimes cause interference with the video signal, so it's something to keep in mind when flying near them. Looks good to me. Now I'll set the 5W output manually. I just need to hold the button until the green LED starts flashing, and then set the output following the diagram in the manual. Hold on. Here we go, all set. Let's get back to flying. Alright guys, I'll leave it here. Make your own conclusions from watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.